वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 8th इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 10 माई कलिंगा मूवमेंट की क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, जो कि 2 पार्ट में है, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2। रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ट्रू और फॉल्स। फर्स्ट वन, सोनू सूद फील्स वेरी हैप्पी फॉर बीइंग टाइटल्ड एज Masiha of the migrants. Answer, true. Second one, Sonu Sood rented out his own apartment for healthcare workers. Answer, false. Third, for him, his stardom was a means to help others altruistically. Answer, true. Fourth, it was not his decision initially to go out and help personally. Answer, false. Fifth, he feels he did the right thing by following his heart. Answer, true. Sixth, he helped a large number of migrant workers move to Mumbai safely. Answer, false. Question number B. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. First one, these people helped build our homes. Can we not help them reach their own homes? Question number A. Who are the people being talked about in the line above? Answer, migrant laborers. Question number B. Why were they not able to go back to their homes? Answer, they were unable to go home because of the COVID-19 lockdown. Question number C. How did the author wish to help them? Answer, by providing shelter, food, and organizing transportation for them. Second reference. I realized that I was not merely somebody, but a very fortunate somebody who had a voice and the means to do something about it. Question number A. What made the author realize the above line? Answer, seeing migrant workers struggling and feeling compelled to act. Question number B. What does the author mean by the statement, I was not merely somebody? Answer, the author felt he had influence and resources to help, unlike ordinary people. Question number C. What did the author wish to do with that power? Answer, he wished to help migrant workers return home during the COVID-19 lockdown. Question number C. Answer the following questions briefly. First question, why was Sonu Sood given the title Masiha of the Migrants? Answer, Sonu Sood was given this title because he helped more than 1,50,000 migrant laborers in Mumbai to reach their home during the lockdown imposed in the COVID-19 pandemic. Question number 2. Why was he not content to sit complacently at home? Answer, after the first couple of weeks of the pandemic, Sonu Sood began to feel a distinct sense of unease. He was a man on the move, so he could not sit at home. His conscience sent heartfelt messages to his mind, which in turn churned his thoughts, and was sure that he was not content to sit complacently at home. He instead wanted to go out and be a frontline worker to help people in need. Question number 3. How did he show generosity towards the healthcare workers? Answer, Sonu Sood handed over Shakti Sagar, his 6-story hotel in Juhu, to the state authorities. The healthcare workers were provided food and a place to rest in the rooms of Shakti Sagar. Question number 4. What did he do for the migrant laborers to ensure that they reached their home safely? Answer, Sonu Sood arranged shelters, COVID tests, food, water, and other essentials, and most importantly, suitable transport to ferry the migrant laborers home safely. Question number 5. What happened on 24th May 2018? Answer. On 24th May 2018, Sonu Sood had bought the building Shakti Sagar, which was a big achievement he had earned. Later, he handed over property to the state authorities to help healthcare workers. Question number 6. Why was 15th April the Kalinga moment for the actor? Answer. April 15th was referred to as the Kalinga moment of Sonu Sood because it marked the day when he launched the initiative to provide meals to thousands of standard migrant workers during the COVID 19 lockdown. This, this initiative gained widespread attention and marked the beginning of his extensive efforts to assist migrant workers. This is referred to as the Kalinga movement because it changed the course of his life as the War of Kalinga did for Emperor Ashoka. Question number 7. What was celebrity syndrome according to Sonu Sood? Answer. Sonu Sood referred to the celebrity syndrome during the pandemic as the trend where celebrities were more focused on their own image and publicity rather than genuinely helping those in need during the crisis. He emphasized the importance of actually taking action and providing aid to the people affected by the pandemic rather than sitting at home and having generosity delivered by remote control. Question number 8. Was there any name given to this mission? If so, justify. Answer. The name given to the mission was Ghar Bhejo, send them home. The mission was so called because it aimed to send migrant workers stranded in Mumbai back to their homes during the COVID 19 lockdown. The name Send Them Home reflects the mission's objective of helping these individuals return home safely with their families during the challenging time of the pandemic. तो ये तो हमने किए इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, साथ ही साथ इसके थिंक एंड आंसर्स का लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, तो आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें, जिससे कि आपको आने वाले वीडियोज़ के न्यू अपडेट्स मिलते रहें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ नाइस डे।
पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।